and the dignitaries on the dais and present delegates. At the outset, let me tell, iCreate so far has been doing a journey, very difficult journey, because they have to take the help of so many stakeholders and move on. It's really difficult. But slowly, that is giving them dividend. Government of India, Department of Science and Technology, recognizing this and partnering for an ambitious program is not an easy job. And that has been done, and I must thank Mr. Bistal for his affection for this institution in Gujarat. And we assure him that this project which has been agreed upon, probably the enthusiasm which is seen today will definitely give good dividends and good results. Once again, thank you, Mr. Mittal, for your kind gesture in partnering with this institution. Friends, I think last year when this What Next had been done, and I was not there, but prior to that, this is second. Last year I think I was there for a little while. I have seen that, and but the response what has been envisaged here is phenomenal, and that shows the hard work put in by Dr. Madhubhai and his team, and heavily supported by people like Mr. Palak Seth and all that. Friends, every event sets a milestone, a benchmark, and that is very critical for any journey. We had an able partnership with University from Israel, headed by the department headed by Hari. We have seen the benefit of this partnership. So we want to expand it in a big way. So the partnership with the institutional partnership, which was a couple of institutional partnerships till last year, when we were assembling here. Two, our objective will be that when we meet what next in the next year, it should be at least 10. So that is if that partnership comes, every partner will put in their bit and take these endeavors into a much greater height. Friends, I think the statistics, where statistics shows that this iCreate has been able to have an interface with, direct interface about 2,000 entrepreneurs in the last 1 year. But when you do not have more interface, you cannot pick up, people are left out, you cannot pick up the right people from that side. And therefore, it is necessary that directly by iCreate or through satellite institutions or through partnership institutions, there has to be strong interface between the prospective entrepreneurs. So my thinking is that the business plan of iCreate before the What Next should look at about an interface with about 15,000 prospective entrepreneurs in this country through this forum of iCreate through various mechanisms. Against 2,000, we will try to scale it up to 15,000. Friends, I think we have been able to, from all this mix, when you saw the presentations about more than a dozen people who have passed through various stages, and now they are now being mentored and groomed and all that, and the batch is going on. And our objective should be that if an institution like this does this job alone, they cannot find out a basket more than 15, 20 at the best. But we should, the appetite is so much, and we should understand that that is very meager, very minimal thing what a institution with people like Professor Jaju, Mr. Narayan Murthy and a whole lot of people, and we should deliver that. Therefore, our objective should be that in the next 3 years or so, against what iCreate could have been possibly endeavored to do it about 40 to 50 really good startups, see them with good startups. Maybe that we should try to increase it to at least 4 or 5 times in the next 3 years. That means around 250 in the next 3-4 years time. So these are the friends of milestones you have to keep it in mind. What next, what we are witnessing today, it is mainly focused towards the Gujarat entrepreneurs. in the What Next 2016, we should see that at least 8 to 10 other entrepreneurs and incubation centers and other institutional outfits from other states participate. That should be our target. And when you look at that, there are various countries in the world who need experience sharing, benefit of experience sharing and other things. And possibly we should look at that 8 to 10 countries in the next year in What Next they participate to share their experiences and take something from here and we also get something from there. So these are some of the milestones we should look at for 2016, and I am extremely happy that What Next here has been really phenomenally well accepted. But friends, one thing is there. This is covering, last year it covered only entrepreneurs. This year it has covered in addition to that angel funding people and venture funding people. But 1, 2 more boxes are left out. Important boxes. That is the financial institutions and the opinion makers and the government. And possibly they have to be taken on board to have a holistic package. Maybe we are talking to the UNCTAD for this purpose, have a good methodology, tested methodology. United Nations body which looks into the trade and development and entrepreneurship. Maybe we will be working with them in the month of May to have a conference with all these our entrepreneurs, financial institutions and opinion makers, government people who are connected in the entire game. They come together and test the methodology, how does it work. If it works, then probably that will help also in creating a substantial manner to look into that. I wish this future event of 2016 a grand success, and thanks to all of you for your contribution to the success of 2015 What Next. Thank you.
Thank you very much.